So this is my vintage circa 1987 to 1990 John Deere. We found this on the curb and restored it. Well, the back tires aren't that great. One of them doesn't hold air at all. The other one is not real great. And usually every time I start this thing up, I have to put air in the tires and I have to jump start it as well because I don't think the charger is working on it. Got to get a battery charger on it, and I could charge the battery and it will turn over eventually, but I just don't have time to wait for it. So what I want to do is get it on the charger, and we're also going to use this thing. We're going to use this boost. This was sent to me by this company, Gulu. This is the A3 jump starter and tire inflator in one. I've shown one of these on a video in the past. Another company sent. And this one looks like it has similar features, but I think the amp hour capacity is larger than my other one. Okay, so I have the battery charger on here, and we can see it's charging, and it will draw current when I try to start. But this thing doesn't have enough like cold cranking amps to turn it over. So we have to put this thing on here too. Now, yes, I could solve this by just replacing the charger, the alternator on this thing. That would be the more permanent solution, but okay. These are super duper useful. The other one, I've gotten a lot of use out of it so far. And yeah, so this one has already been opened and charged up. They recommend you charge them fully before trying to use them. I think what I want to do first thing is air up the tires. So let's go ahead and hook this up. Okay. This one is really low. Like I said, this one barely holds any air at all. Okay, we've got 1 PSI in the tire right now. That's what it's telling me. I'm sorry for the blanking out of the screen. It's not doing this in real life, it's just the camera. Okay, it's giving me a range for car, range for bike, basketball. That's what I need, basketball. So it gives you a range for each one of these objects, like a basketball or I don't know, 2 different kinds of cars and a bicycle. But they'll all have separate ranges. And we're gonna use the 15, we'll start up from here. It should auto shut off, hopefully. Yep, okay. Shuts off automatically to the program we set it at. Now we can check the rest of these. Okay, same thing. We'll go to the basketball and set it for 15 pounds. It's already at 14. See, this one doesn't leak very bad. Yeah, I actually went and bought inner tubes for these tires. I've got them up there, but I need to install them on a different day. I don't have time today. Max inflation, 24 PSI, okay. Okay, that one only goes down to 26, so we probably got to do basketball again. Nope, that's not gonna work. 24. It's only gonna take me down to 26, so what I'm gonna have to do here is put it on 26 and then stop it before it gets that far. I kind of messed up there. All right, this has only got 11 in it right now, so again, we got to go to 24. Whoops. There we go, perfect. Now, let's see if she's still got enough juice. This is the real test after airing up all 4 tires to see if it still has enough juice to turn this thing over. Let's see. All right, so we'll lose this attachment. Grab this attachment. This connector is polarized, so you can't possibly mix it up. That's a good thing. Now, I don't think I have to go into any other mode on this. I think it just is just gonna jump right off it. So I should just be able to crank it and it go. Yeah, do you see how fast it was spinning it too? That's, yeah, it had a lot of juice left. Yeah, so that worked out really well. I'm well impressed with these little units like this. You definitely need one if you don't have one for your automobile or for situations like this. No more expensive than these are. These are way, way easier than digging out my compressor every time I have to air up tires, or leaving my batteries on charge. Sometimes you forget, so. Yeah, man, pick yourself up one of these, definitely, from Gulu. I'll put a link down in the description. Let's do some more. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.